Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Frances. I make beauty, lifestyle and a whole lot of other videos that you would definitely be interested in. So please do consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button down below and also clicking the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for coming back. Want to know how I achieved this gorgeous look? Kindly stay tuned, watch through this video, don't skip any parts, enjoy the video and learn from it, and I will see you in my next one. Guys, so I'm starting off with my eyebrows. I'm just using a spoolie to brush up my eyebrows. For my brow pencil, I'm using this brow pencil. It's upside down. Wait. Okay, I think you can see this waterproof one.
sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
On my highlight, I'm using the Ewaronke highlighting palette. Guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. If you did, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and also do consider subscribing if you have not by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and also hitting the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And also leave your comments in the comment section. Please do share my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one.